Okay, good morning student. This one is we are going to start practice set 4.3. As I explained the example of first sum, as like that we have to explain the I am going to explain this one sum. Okay, so construct the triangle PQR. We have to construct triangle PQR. Okay, in this Q is 70 degree. Here you can see Q is 70 degree and R is 80 degree, and P plus Q plus R is 9.5. Okay, so including P, Q and R, we have to draw first line, that is 9.5 degree. Here AB is equals to 9.5 centimeter. Then we have to take half of 70. Half of 70 is 70 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 2 5s are 10. Okay, half of 70, that is 35 degree. So from point A, we with the help of D, we have to measure it as 35 degree. Okay, then take the another point. Another point is B. This one is 80. So half of 80, 80 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8, 8 and 0 as it is, we have to write that. Okay, so okay, from this point we have to take 40 degree on this scale, that is D, and draw this line. Then student, we have to put this 35 degree and this 40 degree mark as P. We have to give the name AP and BP is equals to P. Okay, then student, we have to, like this one sum, name the point intersect the ray. This one point we have completed. Draw a perpendicular bisector of AP and AQ. Okay, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AP and BP. Okay, in this sum, that is BP. So from these 2 points we have to take more than half and cross it, perpendicular bisector. Then we have to join these 2 lines, these 2 arcs. Then we have to take this line. Okay, and from this point we have to draw this arcs, that is perpendicular bisector, and draw it. Okay, then the next point is name the point B and C. We put according to our sum, where the perpendicular bisector intersect PQ. What we have to draw these 2 lines where perpendicular bisector join. Okay, from A and B. So this perpendicular bisector is intersect the line AB, and this point, these 2 points we have to make with the help of these 2 points PQ and RQ. Which PQ and RQ? Student, this thing is, remember that the question is Q is equals to 70 and R is equals to 80, but we have to get 70, half of 70 and half of 80, and half of 80 is 40, so we have to take here 40, and half of 70 is 35, so we have to take from here is 75 degree. Okay, as this according you have to solve second or third one also.